In this video, I will show you how to fix the slow charging problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or the 17 Pro Max. So let's get started. Now, first of all, just check the charging cable of your iPhone and check if it is damaged or not. If it is damaged, just replace the charging cable of your iPhone. Also, make sure to use Apple's original 40-watt fast charger with your iPhone to get the maximum charging speed. Now, after you do that, now just check the USB Type-C charging port on your iPhone and check if it is blocked by any dust or debris. Now, if the charging port of your iPhone is blocked, just clean the charging port of your iPhone using a soft brush. Now, if this did not fix your issue, then the next thing you can do is to open Settings, and in Settings you will find the option of Airplane Mode. Now just enable this toggle. Now after you enable this toggle, you will enable Airplane Mode on your iPhone. Now what it will basically do is that it will disable the Wi-Fi and the cellular data and all the other connections, so your iPhone will charge faster. But remember that if you enable airplane mode, you will not receive any text message or a notification since your cellular data and your Wi-Fi will be turned off. So keep that in mind. Now, after that, just swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen and close any app which is opened in the recent apps section, so that apps on your iPhone will not run in the background and they will not drain your battery. Also, make sure not to use your iPhone when it is charging. After that, just go to Settings and tap on Battery. From here, just tap on Charging Settings. Now just disable Optimized Battery Charging, select Turn Off, and also disable Clean Energy Charging. After you do that, then go back and tap on Power Mode. And from here, just enable Low Power Mode when your iPhone is charging. Now, if you have done all that and if this did not fix your issue, then go back and in the main settings page, just tap on General. Then tap on Software Update and check if you have any software update available. If you have any software update available, just update the software of your iPhone. And this is how you can fix the slow charging problem on the iPhone 17, 17 Pro, and the 17 Pro Max. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.